Okay, today I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on your Volvo XC90. First you're going to take these off. There's 3 total. Next you're going to pull that out. And that's your air filter down there, so we're just going to grab it. Position this camera a little bit. So with 2 hands. And this is your engine air filter. It is dirty. If you want to save it, you can kind of blow it out with some compressed air or do whatever you want with it. Next I'll show you how to put it back in. Then I'm going to use that. I'm going to lift this up, set it back in like that. Make sure it's flush all the way. Next, back here, you're going to make sure these go into these holes. There's 3 of them. So you want to make sure they all go into those holes before you put it back in. A lot of people can never figure out how to get it in correctly because they don't put those in the holes. They either don't see them or they just have a problem getting them in. But once you do that, it's going to be pretty easy to snap it into place. And that's how you do it.